Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the Lookfantastic Easter Beauty Bundle. I received this goodie bag for free with my purchase. It comes in this useful bag and the Lookfantastic claims that it's worth over £60. I'm really excited to see what we have inside. First we get a sample from Bioderma, rebalancing water for oily and combination skin. Next we have a sample from Beauty Works Professional, Argon Serum. It is a rejuvenating treatment formulated with a blend of the finest argan oils to deeply nourish hair and repair split ends. It is 100% vegan, free of parabens and SLES. Third sample that we find is from Phylogen, Anti-Aging Revolution. Inside we have 3 samples from this range. First we get NSEF Intensive Supreme Multi-Correction Serum. Second we get Phylogen NSEF Reverse Supreme Multi-Correction Cream. And third is Phylogen NSEF Reverse Ice Supreme Multi-Correction Eye Cream. Next sample is from Imbue Curl Restoring Intensive Mask. This is a product that intrigued me. I'm very curious to try it. Here we have a very small sample from Rituals, the Rituals of Sakura Magic Touch Body Cream. The Rituals of Sakura range is lovely, the smell is very nice. I had this cream before and it's very nourishing. Next we have another hair product. This time we have a shampoo sample from OUI Detox Shampoo. Here we have a sample from the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid. It is a face serum that will hydrate the skin. Next sample that we find is from Origins Transcription Anti-Aging Power Serum. If I am not wrong, this is a new product released by Origins. Great, and the sample is generous. Here we have 50 ml of a product. Next we have a sample from a brand that I love. Caudalie Vino Perfect Dark Spot Correcting Moisturizer. And here we have 50 ml of a product. And the last product from this goodie bag is from Avida Botanical Repair Straightening Leave-In Treatment. I already tried this product and it is great, it smells nice and leaves the hair soft and nourished. Okay guys, and here we have all the samples that we found inside of the Lookfantastic Easter Beauty Bundle. To be honest, I'm pleased with the content, all the products are interesting to try. And this was today's video. I hope you'll find it useful. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!